Some of the highlights of the meeting are from a UK perspective. First of all, the UK has done amazingly well. A lot of the best data, I think, here at ASH this year is from the UK. We should be very proud of that. We've got the Myeloma XI data, but also Mark Drayson's team trial is a really nice piece of work around those early infections in patients with either newly diagnosed or relapsed myeloma. So I feel really proud of Mark's data too. And we've got some great genetic data. We're part of the Myeloma Genome Project, and John Jones from the ICR presented some really nice data on the mutational analysis of our maintenance patients. And Martin Kaiser had some really nice data on the 17p piece. Also, Gordon Cook has a great way of analysing risk status for frailty in the older population. And the other thing I think I'm very proud of is that the UK trials really are very inclusive. So one of the bits of data that Charlotte Polwin presented is that our trials include patients who've got really poor performance status who are normally excluded from many company trials and other academic trials.